Hey, hi everyone. Let's come to the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss the Karnaugh map, that is a K-map for four variable for SOP structure or for SOP expression. Myself Ganesh and Naina welcomes you in the next video. What are the learning outcome of this session? At the end of this presentation, the learners will be able to construct the Karnaugh map for four variable, write the minimal SOP expression using the K-map, and construct the combinational digital circuit using circuit for minimal K-map expression. What are the contents for this? The contents is K-map for four variable, SOP expression using the K-map, design of combinational logic circuit, and summary. Let's discuss the K-map design for four variables. So let us consider that there are the four variables with the A, B, C, D. A is the MSB, that is the most significant bit, and D is the LSB, that is the least significant bit. So how we can write down the K-map? So how many inputs are here? There are four inputs. So the size of the K-map, so 2 raised to 4. So first decide the size of the K-map. 2 raised to 4, okay, that is equal to 16. Means I have to make the K-map of the size of 4 into 4. Okay, the size of the K-map must be 4 into 4. So for the simplified, this is the simplified format. Okay, so making the 4 into 4 block again. Here I am writing the AB, that is the most significant bit, starting with the most significant bit AB and CD. So AB and CD. So AB can be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. LSB on this side, CD can be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So let's see here. 0 0 means it is in SOP form, so it is A dash B dash, because both must be 1 1. So 1 1 is possible with A dash B dash only. 0 1 A dash, because here A input A is indicating 0, but we have to make it at 1, so A dash B, AB, AB dash. Similarly on this side, CD dash, C dash D, CD, and CD dash. So let's check the non-changing element first. In this group, who is the non-changing? Non-changing is A dash. Okay. In this group, who is the non-changing? A. Okay. In this group, who is the non-changing? B. And considering the first and last one, who is the non-changing? B dash. Okay. Similarly on this side, in this group, who is non-changing? C dash. Who is non-changing here? It is C. Who is non-changing between these two? D. And who is the non-changing between these two? In this, the non-changing is D dash. So these non-changing elements are very important while designing the K-map. Okay, so this is the structure. Now how to number this K-map? So how to number this block? So let's write down the number. So 0 0 0 0 means 0, 0 0 0 1 means 1, 0 0 1 1, see, 0 0 1 1 means 3, 0 0 1 0 means 2, 0 1 0 0 means 4, 0 1 0 1 means 5, 0 1 1 1 means I'm writing for this and this combination. Okay, so 0 1 1 1 means 7, and 0 1 1 0 means 6. Similarly 1 1 0 0 means 12, and 1 1 0 1 means 13, and 1 1 1 1 means 15, and 1 1 1 0 means 14. So similarly 1 0 0. So see the numbering: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is the useful information to write down the 4 input K-map. Now let's see how we can design this circuit for this. So SOP expression from K-map. So there are the 4 inputs A, B, C, D, and output is Y. So here there are the 4 inputs A, B, C, D, and the corresponding output is Y. Y is present for some combination of input, and for some combination it is absent. So for SOP expression, the absent terms may be neglected. So our output is 0, output is 0, 0, 0, 0. So these terms can be neglected. So what is the remaining? A dash, B dash, C dash. So see the how we can write down the mean term for this: A dash B dash C dash D dash. Mean term for this is A dash B dash C dash D. Mean term for this. So likewise I can write down the mean terms for the all. So if I write down the SOP expression in the canonical form, so in the canonical SOP this will be require 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 terms with each of 4 input, 11 terms with each of 4 input, and that must be odd together. Okay, so the design will become a complicated, and reduction using the Boolean expression is again more complicated. So you can minimize this circuit using the K-map. So how we can minimize circuit this using the K-map? So for the SAP expression from the K-map, okay, so we'll write down all outputs with the 1 in their corresponding block. See, for the 0 output is 1, for 1 output is 1, for 2 output is 1, 3. So 0 1 2 3 output is 1. So 0 1 2 3 the output is 1. Then for the 5 output is 1, so 5 output is 1. For the 7 output is 1. Okay, for 10 11 output is 1. For the 10 11 output is 1. For 8, okay, so for 8 also the output is 1. So I have made a mistake here. So sorry, here the 8 the output is 1. Okay, so the output is 1 over here. I think in the previous slide also, okay, in the previous slide also this must be 1. Okay, so the here output must be expected 1. Okay, so for the 8 output is 1 again. So I have written all the values. Then 13 and 14 is also 1. 13 and 14 is also 1, and 15, so it is not visible here, but the 15, okay, so the 15 is also 1. Okay, so I will hide this taskbar so that toolbar. Okay, so I'm not able to hide from here. Okay, so 15, again the output is 1 1. So first we have to make the group of 16, because total number of blocks are 16. So 16 group is not possible because these terms are absent, these 3 terms are absent over here, so it is not possible. So 4 terms are absent, so it is not possible. So we'll try to make a group of 8. Group of 8 is also not possible. Here suppose here it is a 1, then we can make the group of 8, but here 1 is absent, so we cannot make the group of 8. So it is possible to make the group of 4, because always the group must be in the 2 raised to 4 form. So I can make this group of 4. Next I can make this group of 4. Okay, next I can make this group of 4. Still this 1 is remaining. So how to combine these ones? Again, the K-map is in rolling, so we can combine this K-map as a roll form. K-map as a roll form. If we roll this, then this one can be combined with this one. So this one can be combined. Okay, this one can be combined with this one. So I have to make this one. Okay, so for each we will write down the mean terms. Now how will write down the mean terms for this group? On this side all are changing, but on this side what is non-changing? A dash B dash. So A dash B dash. For this group of 4, okay, I have to write down the mean terms again. So plus second mean terms. On this side non-changing is B, and on this side non-changing is D for this group. So it is a BD. Plus for this combination non-changing is A, here the non-changing is C, so AC. And for this group of 2, the non-changing is A dash B dash, and on this side the non-changing element is D dash. So A B dash D dash. So to implement this we require, okay, so if you want to implement this we require how many gates? 3 AND gates, 4 AND gates with 3 AND gates with 2 inputs, and 1 AND gate with 3 inputs. Okay, and 1 OR gate. So we can minimize this. We can draw the circuit for this. We require 4 AND gates, and the corresponding outputs are odd together. Okay, so this will give you the output equation. So here we have a reflection point for you. Pause the video and write the minimal SOP expression for the following K-map equation. Okay, so pause the video and write down the output equation. Hope you got the answer. So let's try to make the group of 16 is not possible, group of 8 is also not possible. So I can make this group of 4. For this group of 4, what will be the output equation? For on this side non-changing is B, on this side non-changing is D. So first output is fixed BD. Now what can we do? This 1 1 1 1, it look like independent, but I can say earlier I said that you can group the Karnaugh map folding like this, vertically folding or horizontally folding, both are possible. Means this corner one can be combined with this corner one and this corner one, so this is a group of 4. Keep in mind, this is a group of 4. For this, what is the non-changing? On this side, the non-changing is B dash. Okay, and on this side, what is the non-changing? It is a D dash. Non-changing is D dash. So plus I can write down this as a B dash into D dash. Okay, so the output expression for this y is equal to BD plus B dash D dash. So I can make this group of corner 1 1 1, all corner 1 1 1 can be combined as a group of 4. Okay, so see, this is the beauty of K-map. So we can easily reduce, and again it is just like our intelligence. We are using our intelligence, so it is a, you can say it is example, just like example of we can say we can design artificial intelligence for this also. Okay, so this is the B dash plus D dash. So let's have an example. I have a control press formed by a digital system composed of 4 switches, A B C D switches, fulfilling the following condition. The press will work when only A and B are activated, when only A and C are activated, when B and D are activated independently, position of all the remaining switches. So let's write down, there are the 4 inputs. When the switch will operate when A and B are activated. So first check when the A and B is activated. So here A and B both must be 1 1 and other must be 0 0. Okay, so see here, see A and B 1 1, 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 but A and B 1 1, C and D 0, then the output is 1 1, but 1 1 0 1. So here D output is changing, so we should not consider. So here output cannot be 1. So why this 1 is here, we'll see later. Okay, so only one, this is correspond, this output is corresponds to this statement. Okay, next, the switch will be activated when A and C is activated. See, where A and C must be 1 1. So here A is 1, A and C must be 1 1. So such combination is possible here only. See, A is 1, C is 1, and both are the 0. So means this output is corresponds to the second. Okay, second. And when switch B and D is activated independently, the position of remaining. Independently means don't bother about the position of the switch A and switch C in this. Only check the status of B and D. So B and D is 1 1. So where the B and D is 1 1. See, B and D is 1 1 here. So this is corresponding to this. Again, B and D, here it is a 1 1, though it is C is becoming 1, we don't bother about this A and we don't bother about this. So for this 1 1, the output is 1. Again, this is corresponding to this condition. Next we will check here, again it is B and D is 1 1, so again this is corresponding to this. Here also B and D is 1 1, again this is corresponding to the third condition. So if I write down the min terms for each, and if I write down the canonical SOP, so this will represent 5 terms in the 6 terms in the canonical SOP. Okay, canonical SOP are present. So we have to minimize this circuit using the K-map technique. So how we can minimize this circuit using K-map technique, let's see. So for the K-map, again the number of inputs are 4, means we have to use 4 by 4 K-map. So in the 4 by 4 K-map, again 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, MSB is written here, LSB is written here. Corresponding blocks are number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and we will enter all the values, all the output with 1. So for the 5 1 7 1, 5 1 7 1, then 10 1 12 1, 10 1 12 1, then 13 1 15 1, 13 1 15 1. Now we will try to make the group of 4. Okay, so 16 group is not possible, 8 group is also not possible, so only 4 group, 4, yes, this 4 can be grouped together. And for this, which is the non-changing here D and which is the non-changing here B, so I can write down this output equation as BD. Okay, for the first term. For the second term, okay, for the second term, we have to combine these two. Okay, so if we combine these two, then for and this one cannot be combined here, here, no no adjacent element to this one, hence this is an independent group. And so we can write down the minimal SOP equation as for this red one combination it is BD, for this combination non-changing is AB, on this side the non-changing is C dash, so AB C dash. On for this group of 1, on this side non-changing is AB dash, and on this side non-changing is CD dash, so AB dash CD dash. This circuit can be implemented using 3 AND gate and 1 OR gate. So this is the output circuit for SOP equation. So let us summarize all the points. K-map uses the gray code in structure. Block number in the K-map dependent on MSB and LSB position. Canonical SOP can be transferred into the minimal SOP expression with K-map. SOP expression realized with the first layer of AND gate and second layer of OR gate. So thank you, and in the next video we will see how can we do with the POS equations. Okay, so thank you for now.